Hey YouTube, this is me, Rachel. So this is my new channel. It's all about my study abroad experience. I'm gonna be leaving the US on July 13th to go to Australia, and I'll be there until November. So I've opened this channel to show everyone what my experiences are gonna be like. Talk about my experiences. I'll update it once a week, with just like me and the camera, so you guys have an idea of what I'm doing with my life. And then I'll be sure to post video montages of photos and everything as well. So I hope that you all subscribe to my channel and keep up with my adventures within the next coming months. So, my semester is about to end, so hopefully, once that's over, I will be able to post more videos, and then, yeah, I will start talking about pre-departure and everything once the semester's over, and it's gonna be an adventure. Bye!